Cancer, welcome to this deeper and gentle reading about how the current tension in the world may be influencing your emotional energy. Even when events are happening far away, the emotional atmosphere they create can travel across people, conversations, and communities. Sensitive souls often feel this shift more strongly than they expect. Cancer is one of the most intuitive and emotionally aware signs. Your heart naturally senses the mood of the environment around you. When the collective energy of the world becomes heavy or uncertain, you may notice subtle emotional waves within yourself. This does not mean something negative is directly entering your life. Instead, it simply shows how open and empathetic your nature is. Cancer energy often cares deeply about the well-being of others, even those far away. In this reading, 8 oracle cards appeared to explain how global tension may influence Cancer's emotional world and how you can stay peaceful, protected, and emotionally balanced. The first oracle card appearing for you is Deep Emotional Awareness. Cancer naturally feels emotions deeply, and this card suggests that your sensitivity may be heightened right now. When people talk about world situations or serious events, you may notice that their emotions affect you more than usual. You might hear conversations about global tension and immediately feel a sense of concern or sadness. Even if the situation does not directly affect your daily life, your compassionate heart may still react to the emotional atmosphere. This happens because Cancer often absorbs the emotional environment like water absorbs energy from the moon. You sense the feelings behind words, not just the information itself. The message here is to recognize your sensitivity without allowing it to overwhelm you. Your empathy is a beautiful quality, but you do not need to carry the emotional weight of every situation happening in the world. The second oracle card appearing is Creating Safe Space. When the outside world feels uncertain, Cancer's natural instinct is to create emotional safety. You may find yourself focusing more on your home environment, your family, or the people who make you feel secure. Your home might become a sanctuary where you can disconnect from stressful conversations and simply breathe peacefully. Cancer energy often finds comfort in familiar surroundings during uncertain times. You may also feel a stronger desire to nurture the people close to you. Cooking, caring, listening, or simply spending quiet time together can restore emotional balance. This card reminds you that creating a peaceful personal space is not avoidance. It is a healthy way of protecting your emotional well-being. The third oracle card appearing is Intuitive Waves. Cancer's intuition works like a quiet internal compass. You often sense emotional shifts even before they are clearly visible. When global tension increases, your intuitive awareness may become stronger. You might notice sudden feelings or emotional waves after hearing news or discussions about the world. Your mind may begin imagining different possibilities or wondering about the future. While intuition is a powerful gift, it can sometimes lead to overthinking if it is not balanced with calm reflection. Cancer's imagination can occasionally turn small concerns into larger emotional worries. The card encourages you to trust your intuition while also allowing yourself moments of emotional rest. Not every feeling requires deep analysis. The fourth oracle card appearing is Protecting the Heart. Cancer's heart is open, kind, and naturally compassionate. Because of this openness, emotional stories or intense discussions about global issues may affect you strongly. You may notice that certain news stories or emotional conversations stay in your mind longer than expected. Your heart simply responds deeply to human experiences. Protecting your heart means choosing carefully how much emotional information you allow into your daily life. Limiting exposure to constant heavy news can help preserve your emotional peace. This card gently reminds you that caring about the world does not mean absorbing all of its pain. The fifth oracle card appearing for you is Nurturing Light. Cancer naturally carries nurturing energy. When people around you feel worried or emotional about world events, your instinct may be to comfort them. You might listen patiently to their concerns or try to calm their fears with gentle words. This nurturing quality often makes you the emotional support within your family or close circle. People may come to you when they need reassurance because they sense your warmth and compassion. However, this card also reminds you that nurturing others should not come at the cost of your own energy. Sometimes, when you take care of everyone else, you forget that your own heart also needs comfort. Allow yourself the same kindness you offer to others. Rest, quiet moments, and emotional care are just as important for you. The sixth oracle card appearing is emotional balance. Because Cancer feels emotions deeply, balance becomes especially important during times when the world feels tense. Listening to too many intense discussions or constantly following serious news can slowly drain your emotional energy. This card suggests creating healthy emotional boundaries. You may choose specific times to stay informed while also allowing yourself time to step away from heavy topics. Cancer often restores emotional balance through peaceful activities. Being near water, spending time in nature, listening to music, or simply enjoying quiet moments at home can help calm your heart. When you give your emotions time to settle, your natural intuition and kindness become stronger rather than overwhelmed. The seventh oracle card appearing is compassionate strength. Cancer is sometimes seen as only sensitive, but this card reveals a deeper truth. Your compassion itself is a powerful strength. Even when the world feels uncertain, you still choose kindness and understanding. Many people become hardened or defensive during difficult times, yet Cancer often continues caring about the well-being of others. Your emotional intelligence allows you to understand different perspectives and respond with empathy. This gentle approach can bring calm to conversations that might otherwise become tense. Compassionate strength means remaining kind even when situations feel heavy. Your heart becomes a quiet source of healing energy for those around you. The eighth and final oracle card closing this reading is Hopeful Heart. Despite everything happening in the world, Cancer's heart still believes in emotional healing and peace. This card reminds you that humanity has always moved through cycles of challenge and growth. There may be moments when the world seems divided or uncertain, but people also continue searching for understanding, cooperation, and solutions. Cancer naturally hopes for harmony between people. Your emotional nature believes that kindness and care can slowly bring healing to difficult situations. The deeper message of this card is to protect that hope within you. Your compassionate heart helps keep the energy of empathy alive in a world that sometimes forgets how powerful kindness can be. Affirmation for you, Cancer. My heart is protected, calm, and strong. I share compassion with the world while keeping my inner peace. If this message resonated with you, you can receive a personal tarot and oracle reading starting at $9, where we explore your personal path, emotional energy, and the guidance meant especially for you.